Another day, another Corolla install video. Today, we are showing you how to install our front splitter for the 2019 Plus E210 Corolla hatch. This will likely be one of the easiest installs we'll ever do on this car. All you will need to install is a 10mm wrench or socket. No drilling is required, and you should be able to complete this in under 10 minutes or less. You'll be removing the 10 bolts holding the underside of the bumper to the plastic trays. There are 5 on each side, 3 holding the side plastic tray as seen here, and 2 more holding onto the center plastic tray. Repeat this on the other side, totaling 10 bolts that are removed. We will be retaining 6 of these 10 bolts. Feel free to dispose of the remaining 4 bolts into the drawer of miscellaneous bolts that you have, never to be used again. Included in your order is 4 more bolts with spacers. 2 bolts have longer spacers and 2 bolts have shorter spacers. The longer ones will be used in the center 2 holes. The shorter ones will be used on the holes directly to the right and left of those. Loosely install the bolts with the longer spacers first. Then, loosely install 2 of the OEM bolts into any of the holes on the sides of the splitter. This will help hold up the splitter to allow you to install the rest with ease. Make your way back to the middle and install the other 2 included bolts with the shorter spacers into the holes directly to the right and left of the ones you've already installed as seen here. Now, go around to the rest of the holes and install the remaining OEM bolts. When tightening, refrain from using power tools as the OEM nuts are nylon and very easily can strip if over-tightened. Trust me, I've done it many times before. Use hand tools. And that's it. 10 minutes of your time and your Corolla hatch is looking a heck of a lot better than it did before. We hope that you enjoy the splitter, and as always, tag us across socials so that we can see your Corolla sporting icyaero. Cheers.